friend, if you are trouble at what kind of sliding door system for your pocket door, now you can relax. TEMAX this new sliding door system can resolve your problem. This set is push open and soft close to function together. This set is only for wooden pocket door with door mean width 500 to 20 mm and door thickness 30 to 45 mm and door max weight 80 kilograms. This aluminum alloy and this zinc alloy material, so you no worry about it will rust. It will rust. It have a great function of anti-rust. The ruler, this special concave ruler design can well match with the track, so it will have a very good effect of smooth silence. And the bearing, we use 625Z built-in shock absorbing silicons, glides more smooth and silence. About the track. For this set sliding door system, no need the top track, no need the bottom track, only top track needed, but two pieces needed. For this one, the length depends on your doorway width, but for these small pieces, the length is fixed, 6 centimeters. Okay, now I will show you how to install it. It is very convenient and fast. First, put this push open on this side. Here is the arrow, so you can install by this instruction and fix it. The length for this side have a little distance, about 10 mm. And you fix the push open here. Then this one. Third step. And the start button. For the start button, the distance also have a requirement, so you can install it by the instruction. And then fix it. After, put the connector here, fix one side, and then put this two pieces track is connected by this small connector, like this, and then fix it. Okay. One pieces. After for this in, the undercap used on this side. Okay, now all finished the installations. For the same way, if you need to repair the sliding system or check the quality, then you only need to take these pieces off. Then you can take all the door ruler system off.